Hey guys, we were working on the sink, and once we finished, turned the water source back onto the cold, and got this real low water pressure. So I'm pretty sure that the aerator here is clogged up, so I'm going to be taking that off today and cleaning that out. I may have to do it manually, but picked up this ultrasonic unit from a thrift store a while back. I thought I would give it a try for the first time. I haven't used it yet. This is a Conair model. I'm not sure the exact model. I'll show you a little bit later how I'm going to use that. But for now, let's go ahead and get the aerator off using some vice grips. Don't want to squeeze too tight. Just enough to unscrew that. Okay, let's try the water. As you can see that it's obvious that the aerator here is clogged up. You can see how dirty it is. You can see the sediment there. Looks like hard metals. So there's quite a few parts to this, I believe, so I'm going to go ahead and take it apart, but I'm going to need some better lighting, so I'm going to move to another place for that. Okay, here's a closer look, and you can see a lot of rust here. Just a lot of junk. I don't know what all that is. Probably magnesium. Look at that. See how hard that is. Look at all that. That's in the water and pipes. So, see, to take this apart, here's a look at the screen. The screen doesn't look that bad, but you really can't tell. I'm just going to push it up here like that. I think that's all the parts. Now, okay, the top of it comes off here. This is the aerator itself, and then you have the screen here. You can see the slots line up. So I'm going to clean the screen and this aerator now. I'm not sure if there's any more parts. Yeah, okay, so this comes, just push this up. Let's go ahead and put this back down on the screen so I'll know how to put it back together. That's the aerator right there. Now see how clogged it is? I could manually, that's really clogged. I could manually take a just a thin wire, maybe a paper clip, and just go in there and try to clean all that out. That is really packed. So this is where I'm going to try the ultrasonic. I'm going to put this in, the aerator. I guess that's what it, yeah, the aerator. And then I'll put the screen in there as well. So let's go do that now. Okay, so I'll take the ultrasonic and put some water in it first. I've never used this ultrasonic before. So I'm not exactly sure how to set the timer on it. I don't think it's a heated ultrasonic either. I'm just taking a small glass here. Let's go ahead and put the aerator in there. This is actually, I think, 2 or 3 screens. I'm using 5% distilled white vinegar. And I'm going to use a little table salt. Okay, let's plug the ultrasonic up. Like I said, I'm not sure how to set this timer, so I'm just going to turn it on. I'm going to try to dissolve this salt a little bit. I should have stirred it up before I put parts in there. Alright, here's a look after, well, right at 30 minutes. Still see some black, but it's opened up a lot. It's See all that magnesium, whatever that is, and it's been vibrated out. So it's working pretty well, so I'm going to go ahead and put it back in there and just keep it running for, well, until it's clean. So a lot of stuff in there. It's running underwater here. Alright, it's really cleaned out. I mean, there's a little bit of a couple of places where it's still kind of clogged, but for the most part it's clean. I'll run it for another 5 minutes and then we're going to take a look at what we've got in the bottom of the glass there. Okay, so let's take it out. And that water's pretty hot there. You want to keep more water in the tank here. If it starts running low, add some more water. You don't want to burn up the tank. Alright, let's get it out if I can. There's the screen. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put it back together. I'm pretty confident that it's going to be okay. I want to check and see what all the debris or sediment looks like. It pulverized that stuff. Okay, let's go put it back together and then see if it actually works. Okay, there's a couple places, and I'm not really concerned about these, but I can see that. That's really stuck in there. There's the screen, by the way. There we go. Okay, let's get rid of this. Let's try it out for the first time here. Oh, that's great.
Good.
Awesome, I like that a lot. So anyway, guys, I hope it's been helpful. Ultrasonic can be very useful. And anyway, till next time, have a great day out there, and take care.